How to appear offline in Messenger. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Messenger and log into your account. And once you do that, click on the profile icon or image at the top left of the screen. And from the profile section, click on active status. And once you're here, what you need to do in order to appear offline is turn off these toggles right here by clicking on them, and a pop-up window will appear that asks you want to appear offline for how long. You can choose a period, you can custom one, or you can choose until I change it, which you will be offline until you change this manually. So that was it for this video. That's how you can appear offline in Messenger app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. And with that said, as usual, see you in the next video.